Welcome to Explore Tucson. Today we're at Sculpture Tucson Sculpture Park, and this is the Joy exhibit. The exhibit was conceived to inspire, provoke, awaken, and instill joy. Over 48 artists submitted 56 works for consideration based on this theme. The 16 artworks selected were chosen because they exemplified the various ways to feel uplifted. Each one of these fantastic pieces has a story of what joy means, and they are all unique and inspiring. Sculpture Tucson, who put on this exhibit, is a non-profit founded in 2016 with the mission to promote sculpture and sculptors. The Sculpture Park, where we are today, opened in 2021 and has an interesting story of the community coming together to create the beautiful walkway you see now. If you go there, I'm sure they'd love to share the story with you. They also do sculpture on the street, which helps place sculptures in public places like in front of businesses, within parks, and along the Chuck Huckleberry bike loop. They collaborate with businesses and individual donors to purchase these sculptures from artists and make them available to the public to enjoy. The exhibit was absolutely fantastic, and this video does not do the work justice. So where should we explore next?